Finally got the camera to work. I was trying to do it with my gloves on. I don't know why, but it's like sometimes it would work, sometimes not. I'm down on the main floor. I've got a few rooms down here and a hallway on the side of this glass window. So I've got this room, that hallway, and then a room across the hallway. I'm working on cleaning it, getting junk out. I don't know how many bags of trash I've gotten out of here. Rearranging. I'm moving stuff upstairs to the second level and some stuff up to the third level. My goal, and I'm doing this, my goal is to try to get this done over the next, I've been working on it maybe, I don't know, 4 or 5 days, doing different things around the building, fixing things, rearranging things, reevaluating the security of the entire building, I guess you could say. This thing is just full of stuff, and it's hard to tell in this view. I just didn't want you to see what's down here below my waist in this area. It was a big mess. We had some food items stored in here, and over time some animals got in, and those animals just made a big mess. A horrible mess. And that's my fault, because I just didn't come back over here for a long time. Especially in this room. I hadn't opened that door back there to come in these two rooms in, gosh, I don't know, 2 years? No, it hadn't been that long. I'm going to say 8 months. So that's the winter time. I bet some animals came in here. For some reason that door, I guess they smelt something, they just pushed on it and it just came right open. So they came in here and made a big mess. And I tell you, baking powder just goes everywhere. I had a good sized can of baking powder that they got into, and it just spread from like where I'm standing all the way back through that door into that room, all down through here. Oh my gosh, it is just nuts. Baking powder is even on the shop vac, all across the floor, all down in there. And we have really got some cleaning to do. Anyway, I really wasn't going to show you some of my messes, but I guess that's just the way it goes. I've got that room right there, this room, the hallway, and the room across the way. I'm going to get it cleaned up, get all my stuff out, fix the things that need fixed, and I'm going to rent this space out. And I've already got a company that wants to rent this space, and I've got to do some electrical work. I got to make sure that it meets all the codes and this, safety stuff and everything. I do have an air conditioner heater thing in that room back there, but it would only be good for these two rooms, maybe that hallway. But the room across the way, I don't know if it'll reach over there or not. So I'm going to have to kind of figure a few things out. And as I'm doing this, a lot of this stuff really brings back memories. And in one of my other videos, I was talking about how the tiniest things, the smallest, insignificant things sometimes bring back the most vivid, happy memories of the past. Or, on the other hand, not so good memories, right? So, anyway. Froggy. Frogger. Froggy? Got white powder on him. I wonder what that was from. Froggy! Anyway. All kinds of cool stuff in here. I've got a whole lot of work to do. I'm gonna probably be here working here until 1 a.m. I don't know. Maybe I'll leave at midnight. I don't know. Depends on how cold it gets. Today's been a much warmer day. Much warmer day. I gotta take this glove off. Yeah. Okay. So when I get it all cleaned up, I'll do a tour. And I've got some lights up here I need to fix. I've got a fluorescent light here that I ran an extension cord to and plugged in so that I could have some light in here while I'm doing this work. But this light up here and the light in the ceiling of that room, for some reason, just doesn't want to work. But it's the old fluorescent with the old ballast. So probably what I need to do is just take those off, remove those, and replace them with LED lighting, which I think I'm going to do. So I'm going to have to go shopping. Maybe I'll do that over the weekend. Get some nice LED lighting in here and in that room. The hallway over there has got some, well, it's the old fluorescent lighting, but it's always working for some reason. This in here just doesn't want to work. And in the room on the other end, or the other side of the hallway, I hadn't been in there in so long, I don't even know what's in the ceiling. I think that room used to be an office, and it's got an old wooden desk, old wooden file cabinet, and something else. I forget what's in there. But anyway, I'll get in there and get it done. So, wish me luck on my work I'm doing on the main floor. But anyway, Third Floor Bandit. Subscribe, give me a whatever, you know, all that good stuff. Talk to you.